Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on here really quickly to show you what I bought. So the other day, I stopped at Ulta and I went and picked up this lip tint. So you know it's going all over TikTok because they do have their own brand. But me being the person that I am, I do not like to wait. So I Googled it and I saw that my local Ulta had it in stock. And yes, I went to go get it. Okay, so the brand that I found in store is Satchel. Don't come for me if I mispronounced it. And then the shade that I got is Golden Brown. And this is how it looks. And yes, I do have it on right now. I should have waited and applied it with you guys, but I was so thirsty, I couldn't wait. So this is how it looks. And this is how it looks on the lips when it's drying. And I think I am at baking time. So since I didn't put it on with you guys, I'll peel it off with you guys. Okay, so you'll know that it's dry when you can see it lifting a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that. But they normally say leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes. It's been a little over 10 minutes for me, so let's go ahead and peel it off. And look at that. And look at that lip. Girl, I couldn't wait. Okay. Get into the lips. That little driver look. Baby, I am not mad at all. $12. $12. That's all it was. $12. All right. So now I'm just going to put on some lip gloss because you see these bad boys is ashy. This is a W7 thick drip. I got it at Five Below. I'm just going to throw it on here and see what it's giving, baby. Thick it is. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. So the good thing about this, honeys, the good thing about this is that you do not have to apply it again at all today. You know how we know when to carry around the lip liner? No. You apply one time, boom, bam, all day. What you guys think? I love it. $12, Ulta, Satchel. Go get yours.